Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article linked to this silicon-based shoemaker can be found in the description below. Now then, in Zurich, a quiet revolution is unfolding on a factory floor. One that's nothing like the noisy assembly lines of the past. Picture a vast, silent space under cool industrial lights, where a single robotic arm performs a mesmerizing ballet. This machine from ABB does the work of 300 people, moving with breathtaking speed and precision. It doesn't tire, doesn't gossip, and in minutes it can build the entire upper of a high-performance running shoe. Gone are the days of hundreds of workers cutting, stitching and gluing in distant factories. Now one robot in Zurich reimagines the production line, compressing a complex process into a 3-minute spectacle. This is the vision of Swiss running shoe company On, known for shaking up the industry. By automating production at home, On is building more than a factory. They're building a prototype for the future. Shoes made anywhere, anytime, with precision and speed once thought impossible. It's not just an improvement, it's a reinvention. Welcome to the new era of manufacturing. How does this robot conjure a shoe? The secret is light spray, a process that's more magic than manufacturing. Instead of cut and sew, the robot builds the shoe's upper from a single continuous thread, much like 3D printing. It sprays a thin, robust plastic thread in a spiral around a foot-shaped mold, layer by layer, creating a seamless upper. No glue, no stitching, and almost zero waste. The robot can adjust thread density for support or flexibility, all controlled by software. The result? A shoe that's a single, intelligently designed piece, no more patchwork of parts. This method allows for local, on-demand production, slashing the need for massive factories and global supply chains. On has created a micro-factory in a box, able to respond instantly to trends. New styles? Just update the robot's instructions, anywhere in the world. It's a smarter, faster, and more agile way to make shoes. The first light spray shoe is as futuristic as its creation, an elite competition model that looks straight out of sci-fi. It weighs just 170 grams, lighter than most smartphones. Minimalist and sleek, every fiber serves a purpose. Its sock-like seamless upper means no laces, just slip it on and go. The flexible material adapts to your foot, promising a second skin fit and a new sense of freedom. But innovation comes at a price. The first light spray shoe costs 360 Swiss francs. On's co-founder says scaling up is the next challenge, with hopes that prices will drop as the tech spreads. The shoe debuted at the 2024 Olympics in Paris, worn by select On-sponsored athletes. After the launch, On opened its first dedicated light spray factory in Zurich. This isn't a one-off, it's the foundation of On's future. Beyond performance, light spray is a win for the planet. On says the process cuts carbon emissions by 75% compared to traditional methods, a huge leap for an industry long criticized for waste. Traditional factories leave behind scraps. Light spray uses only what's needed, building shoes thread by thread with almost zero waste. Fewer materials and no glue mean easier recycling and a step toward a circular economy. This tech could upend global manufacturing too. Instead of relying on massive Asian factories, On's robotic system allows small automated sites anywhere. Local production slashes shipping and carbon footprints, making supply chains more resilient. Imagine On factories in cities worldwide, making shoes on demand for local customers. It's a vision of sustainable, decentralized manufacturing. On is already planning more global sites. Zurich is just the beginning. The future of shoemaking is local, clean, and fast. But as we celebrate this leap forward, we must consider the cost. One robot replaces 300 workers, a triumph of engineering, but a stark reminder of automation's impact on jobs. On has faced criticism for high profits and low wages in its traditional factories. Now, automation threatens to displace even more workers, raising tough ethical questions. Is this the price of progress? A cleaner, more efficient world, but fewer jobs for those who built it. Automation may create new roles in robotics and engineering, but not everyone can make that leap. The transition will be painful for many. The Zurich robot is more than a machine. It's a symbol of a crossroads. Will this be a new age of sustainable manufacturing or a warning for workers everywhere? Only time will tell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.